In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view someone's Outlook calendar, 2025, step by step. We'll use the simplest method, subscribing to a public or shared calendar using an ICS link. This is perfect when the calendar owner has given you a view-only link, and it works right in Outlook on the web. First, make sure you have the ICS URL from the calendar owner. It's a special internet calendar link, usually ending in .ics. The owner can generate it from their side and share it with you. Keep in mind, this link is typically view-only, so you won't be able to edit their events, and the owner can revoke it at any time if needed. Next, open your browser and go to Outlook.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the calendar by selecting the calendar icon in the left navigation pane. You should now see your calendar view. Look for the Add Calendar option, often represented by a plus sign. Click that, then choose Subscribe from Web. In some interfaces, it might be labeled From Internet. This is the option that lets you add calendars using a link rather than importing a file. Now paste the ICS link you received into the URL box. Double check that you've copied the entire link without extra spaces. If the link starts with webcal, Outlook usually handles it, but changing it to HTTPS can help if you see an error. When you're ready, click OK or Add. You'll be prompted to name the calendar. Choose a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, and pick a color if that helps you tell it apart at a glance. Then select Import. The calendar will appear under your list of calendars, often in a section like Other Calendars. It will update periodically based on Outlook's refresh schedule and the source calendar, so changes from the owner may take a little time to show up. If you don't see events right away, give it a couple of minutes and refresh your browser. Also remember that private events from the owner may appear as busy with no details, depending on their settings. You can toggle the calendar's visibility on and off from your calendar list to reduce clutter when needed. Time zones are handled by Outlook, but if event times look off, check your Outlook time zone settings. That's it. You've subscribed to someone's Outlook calendar using an ICS link, safely and efficiently, with a clean setup that keeps their calendar separate from yours while staying up to date.